Hello children, welcome to class 10th mathematics. Continuation of quadratic, what is that? Quadratic equation. In this class, let us discussing about nature of roots. Nature of roots. Dear children, already know that the quadratic formula. So let us once again. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. This is a quadratic formula of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the given equation. So if b square minus 4ac, this is the nature, is less than 0, we get two distinct real roots. That is, already know that minus b plus or minus square root b square, so minus b plus only b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. This is one, and other one is same minus b, here plus, so we have to put minus square root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So if the b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, we get two distinct real roots. So that is, one is minus b plus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and other one is minus b minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is the two real roots. Let us see. This is first one, and then second one, very important. This one is b square minus 4ac is exactly equal to 0. So then the roots, then x is equal to minus b divided by 2a plus or minus 0. Very important. This is one root. That is, x is equal to minus b divided by 2a, or x is equal to minus b divided by 2a. So this is the two roots. Very important. This is x is equal to minus b divided by 2a. When b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, here it is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, so that the roots of the equation, what is the equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then the roots, what is the roots? X is equal to, roots are both minus b divided by 2a. Both are minus b divided by 2a. So, and then in the next case, very important, if b square minus 4ac greater than 0 equal to 0, it is less than 0. If it is b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then there is no real roots. Here it is two real roots. There it is no two real roots, two distinct real roots. Here it is two real roots. It is no real roots. First, write the two equal real roots. Very important. Two distinct real roots, two equal, because both are equal, that is equal real roots. Here it is, there is no real roots of the equation whose square is b square minus 4ac. So therefore there is no real roots for the given quadratic equation. Therefore, so that b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Very important. B square minus 4ac is called discriminant of the quadratic equation. B square minus 4ac is called discriminant of the quadratic equation. What is the quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. First we shall write first one. What is when two distinct very important. First one is two distinct real roots, when that is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then two distinct real root. And then second one, two equal real roots, that is b square minus 4ac exactly equal to 0. And then third one, what is third one? There is no real roots, when b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So there are three conditions, very important. So let us see the examples. So first we shall find out the discriminant. So already know that b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Let us check out. Value of a is 2, value of b is minus 4, value of c is 3. See, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 3. Then discriminant formula, b square minus 4ac, that is b square is minus 4 square as it is minus 4 as it is, and value of a is 2 and value of c is 3. 4 square is 16 minus 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. 24 minus 12, 16 is minus 8. So this minus is less than 0. So it is less than 0. So if it is less than 0, what is no real roots? B square minus 4ac is less than 0. Its nature is no real roots, because it becomes negative. So if it is negative, no real roots, its nature is no real roots. Students, carefully observe the question. A pole has to be erected at a point on the boundary of a circular park of diameter 13 meter in such a way that the difference of its distance from the two diametrically opposite fixed gates A and B on the boundary of 7 meter. Is it possible to do so? At what distance from the two gates should be the pole be erected? So it is A and B two gates, and AB is the diameter. So what is the diametrically opposite to the fixed 7 meter? Here it is. This is P. P be the required location. Let us P be the required location. So after that, the distance of the pole, from the gate B, that is x meter, that is BP is equal to x meter. Now the difference of the distance of the pole from the two gates, that is AP minus BP. So this is the difference between is 7 meter. So difference between the two gates, that is 7 meter. So that AP is x plus 7 meter, and this is the 13 meter. So diameter that is 13 meter. Let us see by applying Pythagoras theorem. So once again write the AB is equal to 13 meter and AP is equal to x plus 7 meter and BP is equal to x meter. BP is equal to x meter. So let's see, APB is a right angle triangle. So angle APB is equal to 90 degree because 90 degree, that is right angle triangle. So hypotenuse is this 90 degree. Hypotenuse is AB square is equal to AP square plus BP square. Let us substitute the values. AB, that is 13 square, and then AP x plus 7 whole square plus BP, that is x square. So 13 square is 169 is equal to A plus B whole square. A square plus B square plus 2AB plus x square. So x square plus x square both are on same side, that is 169 is equal to x square plus x square 2x square plus 2 into 7, that is 14x plus 49. So this 169 goes to right side is, so 2x square plus 14x plus 49, and this 169 goes to its minus 169 is equal to 0. Let us see, 2x square plus 14x, 169 minus 49 is minus 120 is equal to 0. 2, 14 and 20, so all numbers are divided by 2, that is divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2, then x square plus 2 on the 2, 2 7s are 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. So here it is, value of A is equal to 1 and value of B is equal to 7 and value of C is equal to minus 60. Let us find out the discriminant, that is B square minus 4AC. B square, it is 7 square minus 4 into A value 1 and C value is minus 60. So 7 square is 49, minus into minus is plus, 6 4s are 240, 240 plus 49, 289. So 289 is greater than 0. So that now applying the nature, its nature, greater than 0 to discriminant distinct real roots, its nature. So what is the nature? It is by applying the formula x is equal to minus b divided by 2a plus or minus square root 289 divided by 2 into a value 1, that is 2, then x is equal to minus b minus 7. You have to take minus 7, that is minus 7 plus or minus 289 means the square root of 17 and divided by 2. X is equal to minus 7 plus 17 divided by 2, or x is equal to minus 7 minus 17 divided by 2. 17 minus 7, that is 10. X is equal to 10 divided by 2, that is 5. 1 is 5. So if this is negative, the measure cannot be negative, so that x is 5. Since x is the distance between pole and the gate. What is the gate? B. It must be positive. Therefore, x is equal to 5. Thus, the pole has to be erected pole has to be erected on the boundary. On the boundary of the park at a distance 5 meter from the gate B. Gate B. And what is the distance from the gate A? So, and from gate A, that is x plus 7, x is 5, 5 plus 7 is, gate A is 5 plus 7 is 12 meter from the gate A. So let us see the next question. Find the discriminant of the equation 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 by 3 is equal to 0, and hence find the nature of the roots if they are real. So what is A is equal to, value of A is 3, and the value of B is equal to minus 2, and the value of C is equal to 1 by 3. Discriminant formula B square minus 4AC. So we have to check out first. B square is minus 2 whole square, minus minus as it is, 4 as it is, value of A is 3 and value of C is 1 by 3. So this 3 and this 3 get cancelled. Minus 2 into minus 2, it is 4, minus remaining is 4, then it is equal to 0. This 0 is equal to 0. Therefore both to the nature of the roots, its nature has two equal real roots. So already know that two equal real roots, that is minus b divided by 2a and minus b divided by 2a. So let us see. Minus minus as it is, value of b is minus 2 divided by 2 into value of a is 3, minus into minus, and other one is similar, minus of minus 2 divided by 2 into 3, minus into minus is plus 6 plus 2 divided by 2 into 3 is 6, as it is 2 by 6, 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are, so 1 and 3. So the roots 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. There are two real roots, that is 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. Hence this chapter is completed. So you have to do yourself the exercise problem. And this chapter is include your SCA1 exam. So carefully work out the chapter.